putting on a smooth decklid panel. Oh yeah, y'all can see that. All right. So I may have gotten ahead of myself a little bit here. I removed these two plugs already. I've loosened these up, and now we're gonna take them out. There's two 7mm nuts, or bolts, excuse me, right here. You gotta be real careful not to try to lose them, because they will fall down in here, according to a bunch of videos. And I don't know what people want to see per se out of me as far as videos, but I'm doing this. I mean, I'll take some constructive criticism, of course. I want to grow the channel, and I want to make some happy people, but I want to be happy too. Find a nice balance of all that good stuff. I got two out. We got lots of stuff coming for the car. In time, of course, but I'm not gonna say I got big plans for the car. It's not the case, but you know, kind of thought about it. I had a 2005 Dodge Magnum. Now, granted, I had the help of some friends, but I modded that car from stock to what it became in probably a couple years. So I feel like that's probably realistic to expect on this car. All right, so we're supposed to be able to lift, and she should start coming out. All right. They suggested a panel removal tool, but I do not have one of those. I don't want to destroy this thing, but at the same time, I kind of don't care if I do. Yep, there she comes. Yep. Be careful with the camera, because she's going to want to pop out. Got to get a little bit disconnected first. You will succumb to my ways, punk. There she is. Alright. Careful not to scratch up the paint too much. Alright, we're going to cut the video right there. So, just a quick tip. These screws right here on this camera, 5.5mm. Don't forget, it's important. Okay, I got the MP Concepts smooth decklid panel. And I was totally excited to lose that GT logo, just because it's chrome. I'm not a big fan of chrome. I mean, on say a Peterbilt or some big Kenworth or something, sure, that's what chrome's for. But this car and me, not so much. Okay, I'm gonna tell you right straight up, these right here, these clips, you got to transfer them over from your old one, and these were kind of a bear to put in. You don't want to take a hammer and try to smash them in. I wound up, you take them out with like a small, I took them out with a pocket knife. You use like a small flat blade. I'm trying to get that up there real close so y'all can see it. But I sat down in my easy chair and I swapped these over. When I went to go push them in, I just took some needle nose pliers and kind of squeezed them till they would push in, and everything was good to go. Beyond that, we're ready to put on the camera. Reminder, 5.5mm. And of course, it's going to be a pain in the butt. I will probably come back All right, y'all. I went ahead and skipped ahead. There she is installed, and man, I like it. I like it a lot. It looks, I really feel like it should have come with the car, you know? They don't give you any way to fish off the GT emblem at all, which I'm not opposed to the GT emblem itself. I'm opposed to chrome. And, I don't know, but I need y'all to give a shout out to my buddy McMuffin. He's not putting out any content. And, he's on the phone, so yeah, I'm talking smack. And yeah, hit that smash button, like, subscribe, please. It's the only way to help grow the channel and help me keep doing all this. Later.